What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here when we had the first touch of the range of about $11.75, and I've told you that we have to have a bounce, and let me show you that on a slightly greater scale. Let me switch to 4 hours time frame. We have to have the end of fifth wave that is inside the C wave, and the C wave is the retracement from its all-time high. And you might know that C wave should have a shape of 5-wave structure, and right here at the end in fifth wave, I think we already have this structure. This means potentially this range of about $11.75 might be the very bottom. But I'm still a bit confusing about this structure. That's why we have to be cautious, and I will show you in my technical analysis what does it mean. And for now, let me show you that I've told you we have to have a bounce, and this bounce happens. As you can see, we formed higher lows and higher highs, but again, this pattern is not the best one, and I will show you in several minutes what should we expect. So let's continue with the fundamental news, and the latest news that I didn't cover was published on February the 1st, and it says Logic announced strategic partnership with Palantir Technologies. And let me quote you these bullets. Under the agreement, Logic will leverage Palantir's Foundry platform, accelerating business processes, rapid image product delivery, AI model training, and enterprise-wide data integration. Palantir's government and commercial customers will have access to Logic's Aleph platform APIs to power their use of Palantir's Meta constellation and Edge AI capabilities. And this is the main reason why Palantir have this partnership. Definitely, with these capabilities, with the capabilities of this company, and let me show you their official website, they have very strong technology of sub-meter resolution, and definitely it will increase the capabilities of Palantir Foundry, and definitely it will make the contracts of Palantir even more stickier. And overall, with this type of new data, Palantir just made another step ahead of its competitors, and it is a very good step. So let's continue with other news, and on Seeking Alpha we have a lot of different types of news, and some of them are bearish, some of them are neutral, and some of them are bullish. But all in all, you have to read all of them in order to make your own conclusion about this company, and you have to decide whether or not you want to invest in this company, because all in all, you are responsible for your money, and at the end of the day, you will count the profits or potential losses with your investments. But I want to show you this information. We are on Seeking Alpha ratings tab folder, and as you can see, 10 analysts made the breakdown of this stock for the last 90 days. 2 of them suggest to buy, 4 suggest to hold, 2 suggest to sell, and 2 suggest to strong sell. But all in all, let me show you that all of the price targets are above our current price range, and the lowest price target is $13, average price target is $20.56, and the highest price target is $31. On top of that, if we switch to TipRanks forecast, we have 8 ratings right here. 1 suggests to buy, 3 to hold, and 4 to sell. But at the same time, the price targets are even higher than we had just with Seeking Alpha, and the lowest price target is $18, average price target is $20.71, and the highest price target is $25. And to the average price, this stock has a more than 60% of upside potential. And definitely it is a very good price target. On top of that, let me show you on the smart money list, we have this price chart. And as you can see, it is the Palantir Technologies institutional ownership. And despite of the decrease in price, and the price is the blue line right here, we have increase in institutional ownership. This means more and more institutional investors opened their new position with this company. And definitely it shows very strong potential of Palantir. So I think we have to put together all the news and all the pros and cons, and we have to decide whether or not you want to enter the position with this asset. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we have this structure, and the main concern about this structure, despite of its higher lows and higher highs, is that it has some kind of channel shape. And if it is the case, we have the bearish channel, and this channel usually breaks to the downside. That's why we have to be cautious, and that's why the range of about $11.74 might be not the end of its price action. And technically we have two possibilities. First of all, if you want to enter the position as an investor for the long term, all of the price movements to the downside will be a discount for your position. And definitely, if you want to invest in this asset, just accumulate on every daily red candle. But if you want to have a swing trade position, keep in mind that we have to see higher highs and higher lows that didn't overlap one each other, and we have to have something like this. We have to have first wave, second, third, fourth, that doesn't overlap the territory of the first one, and next one, the fifth wave. Right after that, we have to have a simple zigzag in a shape of three waves structure, and this bottom of the C wave will be your entry point, and this will be your first low, second low, and this is first high, and second high will be on the target, on the price target that will be higher than your current entry level. And we have to have this movement to the upside and not this one when we have this overlap. Let me show you more clear. As you can see, we have this type of structure, and it doesn't correspond with the higher highs and higher lows on this manner, when the fourth wave doesn't overlap the territory of the first one. That's why we have to be cautious, but all in all, let me show you that if this bottom holds, and so far we have very good, as you can see, we have very good volume with this price action. In the lowest point, we have the volume that is much higher when we had this movement to the downside, and definitely we are nearing the point of interest of investors that might be the very bottom of this asset. So what type of signal we have to see? First of all, if we will break the bottom of this channel, the lower support of this channel, definitely we might see lower price targets that will be even below $11 price point. But if we will break this range to the upside, then let me make it like this, then retest it from the top and potentially have next leg to the upside with a good increase in volume, definitely it will be a bullish sign that potentially might show us that this is the very bottom of the price action. And technically the price targets are still the same. We have to break all the resistances, all the swing lows that we have above our current range, and technically it is the top of our fourth wave right here at the price point of about $19.32, then the top of our second wave right here at $27.6, and the top of our B wave at $29.3. And to our first target, we might have about 55% of upside potential, second target about 118%, and third target at 130% of potential profits. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!